Hello friends, welcome back and thank you for joining in. And today we are going to learn about how can we convert the numbers into word. We have learned this technique that how can we spell the number in Excel with the help of the VBA code, and I'll be sharing the link in the below video description. But in Word, we are going to see this without writing any single VBA code. And this is applicable for Windows and Mac. So let's get started and see how to do it. So when you open the Word for Windows, all you have to do go to the Insert and go to the Quick Paths and select the field. Now when you open the field, you get this field list which has some formulas. But right now I'm just simply going to select the formula where it asks me to write the formula. Basically it is asking me to enter the number. So I'm just going to add a number, backslash, and then I'm going to put a star and say this magical word card text. And when we click OK, voila, so the number is added over here without any efforts. It has automatically translated that number into words and we got it over here. So for some any reason you would like to change the number, then just press right click, edit field, go to field codes, and then you will find that number. Now in this case, I would just like to add a decimal value, let's say 0.56. Now when I will hit OK, so it has taken 49. It is not reflecting me the decimal value. Now remember my friends that the card text will round up the decimal value. So if I would just write a decimal value which is less than 0.50, then in that case it will turn the number into 48. So that's how it works. Now let's assume that if you don't like to go with this long method of insert and quick parts, I have an easiest way to do for that. So all you're going to do is press Ctrl F9, so that will open the curly brackets, and we'll say equals to, and just put the number you like to convert, backslash, star, which is very important, and I'm going to say card text. Now remember, this word card text is not case sensitive, so you don't have to worry much about it, that how it is, but you have to make sure that the word card text is written correctly. Now again, this time I'm going to press F9. So that has converted the number for me into words. This is pretty cool, isn't it? Now let us jump to the Word for Mac and let's see how these things work. And in there we are going to learn some formatting techniques as well. But right now you're seeing the interface for the Word for Mac, and it looks exactly the same how we have it for the Windows. So let's go to Insert, and in the Insert you'll find this quick field, and all you have to do is select the formula, and let's say the number is any number, then again backslash star, oops, and that's card text, and we say OK. So we got that number written over here. Now right click, and if you just need to change that number for some reason, then just click on toggle field, and that will go into the edit mode, and we can then again right click and update the field, so that will give the correct number what has been updated. And now for some reason, if you don't like to go with this long method of insert and the field, then I would give you an easiest method calling by command function in F9 that will activate the curly brackets and say the number equals to that number and backslash star card text, and we are just going to press F9 this time, so that will convert the number into words. Now as we can see that everything is into the lowercase, and if you just like to activate into an uppercase, then all you have to do, so press the command key, function key, and F9, activate that curly brackets. We have that number over here, backslash card text, again backslash this time, and put the star and put as upper, and press function key and F9. So seems to be getting an error over here. So let's go and see what is an error. Just press function key, option key, F9. And for the Windows users, you can just press alt key and F9 to activate these all fields what are there. So here it should be, oh, I have another P over here. So again, I'm going to press function, option key and F9. Wonderful. So That's how it got converted. So it's not case sensitive, as I mentioned earlier. You have to make sure that your spellings are correct. And to know more about the formatting techniques, my friends, you can check my blog site. I'll be sharing the link in the below video description where you can go and check it out. The code card text is not case sensitive. The value should be less than 1 million. That is a very important thing. And as you have seen, the decimal numbers gets round up. So make sure that you put the whole number only. And it works only with positive numbers. So that's all for today, my friends. And if you have enjoyed this video, so make sure that you hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comment sections your thoughts about this video. So till then, take care, see you soon, happy learning.